Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a book using ChatGPT, right? So here you can see that I'm in the ChatGPT and I will use this to write a book. So if you don't have any idea whether how you are going to write a book over the, over any of the niche that you want to write, so I can ask ChatGPT. So I will ask today, ChatGPT, I have knowledge, okay, about cats. What book should I write? And I can just ask him this a simple question and ChatGPT can suggest me, right? So here you can see that whether if you have knowledge about cats, you can consider comprehensive guide on cats care and everything. So I will ask him suggest me title for cat training book, and you can see that it will suggest me a title. Here you can see that here are the some potential book titles, right? So this is the first one, this is the second one, and it just keep going. And I can ask him more, add 5 more, and let's see that whether it is going to give me another 5 titles or not, right? So here you can see that basically I think it is going to give me 10, so I will just like to stop generating here. Yeah, I will add 5 more and it will give me 5 more. Sure, here are the 5 more potential book titles. So that is pretty easy. It will reduce your lot of thinking and all that. So that is perfectly good for you. And here I can ask him what content should I write in the book. And let's see that whether ChatGPT are going to suggest me or not. So here you can see the content of your cat training book will depends on the specific focus of your goal. Okay, so it's trying to give me a little bit of content. Okay, so I can just write in this format, and I can ask him what format should I write in, right? So guys, you can see that it's pretty much, and I'll just stop generating it and I will ask him another question. What format should I write in? The format your cat training book depends on your personal preferences. Okay, can you suggest me something? Let's see that, yeah, it is suggesting me step by step Q&A format and all that, right? And let's see that I will ask him one other thing. Sure, I suggest that you write a cat book in step-by-step guide format, and the format in particular well suited for a training book. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can use this. So these are the some of the I give you just brief idea that how you can use ChatGPT to write a book on a specific niche. And of course a book is dependent over the author knowledge, right? So but you can enhance your knowledge, and here you can it will reduce a lot of work for you. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.